Welcome back, friends. Here I came with other answer. So the question is about sociology is the queen of social sciences. Okay, sociology is the queen of social sciences. Elucidate. Okay, so here I started with the Auguste Comte, the pioneer of sociology. Auguste Comte envisioned to establish sociology as a queen of all social sciences. So we are saying who has said about this. Okay, this vision and legacy is carried forward by positivist scholars who labored to make sociology as a science which can understand, analyze, and predict solutions to social problems. In this quest, the contribution of Emile Durkheim is very significant. Through his works like Suicide, he demonstrated the relevance of social facts and how sociology helps in studying suicide, which uh, we believed, which we believe till now to be a personal phenomenon. Okay, so we are tracing the origin. First, the Auguste Comte has said that sociology should be established as a queen of all social sciences. It is one of his views. Okay, then we have talked about later positivists, and then we talked about Emil Durkheim. Okay, through his suicide, how he established the individual phenomena as an social phenomena. And then towards the end, toward later, we talked about Karl Marx. In the same vein, in the same light, in the same direction, Karl Marx, through his theory like historical materialism, highlighted the relevance of sociological insight and sociological imagination. However, the goal of establishing sociology as a queen of social sciences is criticized by feminists. They held that by ignoring the queens and being gender blind, it cannot become a queen of social sciences. If you are aware, okay, in the inceptional years of sociology, okay, largely there is no, largely we have very few representation for the female sociologist. If you see the six thinkers also, the six thinkers are male thinkers. Okay, that's the reason it is said one of the criticism by feminists. We can say that the sociology became a queen of social sciences by ignoring the queens. By ignoring the queens mean females. Okay, this is one of the criticism. Or in fact, you can write one of the criticism by feminist scholars with regards to the sociology is they say that mainstream sociology, very powerful word, sir. Mainstream sociology is mainstream sociology. Why? Less importance is given to females in the inceptional years, in the starting years. That's the reason it is said that sociology is gender blind in its infancy. Okay, so these are the various other statements which we can use. Then later further we used furthermore in the contemporary times through the works of Archimedes middle range theory, Anthony Giddens structuration theory, sociology became more pragmatic and issue based. Okay. In fact, I love this towards the ending. The conclusion is very nice, sir. Although the status of sociology as queen of all social sciences is contested. Okay, yeah, but someone says the other social sciences. Someone says some scholar says PSIR is the queen of social sciences. Okay, it is contested. It is not something that it is sociologist established. However, it can be said today that sociology is quintessential social science. Okay, rhyming words. Although it may not be queen of all social sciences, but it is quintessential social science. Quintessential social science means the very basic social science. If you want to study sociology, for sure you need this one. For if you need to understand society, for sure you need to need the contribution from sociology. So in fact, we can do some value addition point. You will know Harari. Okay, we all know, right? The author of the Sapiens book and all these things. He says that, okay, in fact when you write something about the scope of sociology, okay, you can you can use his ideas. He says the future belongs to mesh education. Mesh education mean media, ethics, sociology, and history. So he says, if you want to solve the problems of the 21st century, if either it's of climate change and all these things, any problem of 21st century, poverty, hunger, inequality, all these things, these are the four key important subjects which the world needs. Okay, so sociology is also one of the important subject. In fact, you can use the same idea of Yuval Noah Harari. Suppose if you are writing what is the relation between um, let's write here. Suppose most of us we know the one of the basic question: what is the relation of sociology with other social sciences? Okay, if you get some question on what is the relation between history and sociology, okay, then one of the most often quote many people write is history without sociology is rootless. History without sociology is rootless, and sociology without history is fruitless. This is the sir. Don't think when you write this quote, okay, you will be scoring a very good, decent marks. This is one of the very old quote. Very most of the people will write. Instead of that, write. You know, Harari says that okay, the close collaboration between historical insights and sociological wisdom is much needed to solve the 21st century problems. So this is the beauty of answer writing. Okay, you see how we are making our answers more contemporary. Yuval Noah Harari is a very respected scholar. Okay, we are using his ideas on history and sociology. If you see largely paper, this one, chapter two, chapter three answers, every most of the people will write very routine, generic answers. Okay, here also we can add this kind of valuation. Okay, so that's it with regards to this question. We'll come up with the next question in a while.